The sun is of course shining here in Palma, and we're very excited for a great 2024. 2023 was an interesting year, with a bit of a slow start to the summer, but later things picked up, as did the heat come July. However, we did find that many buyers, or rather clients, seemed in no hurry to make decisions and chose to watch and wait. Despite this, we closed on a great selection of yachts, ranging from a Baltic 50-foot to a Swan 100-foot. Later, we had a big change at the end of the year with an office move. Now we're in a new building next door to our previous office, but up on the 8th floor. It's a much smarter setup with fantastic panoramic views over the whole bay, the Cathedral of Palma, and even right round to Cabrera Island. Sadly, or rather shamefully, I must say that I'm rather often seen at the window gazing at the view and yacht spotting with the binoculars. But still lots of work to do. And excitingly, we have more space in this office now, so we hope to welcome new people here later this year. The Palma International Boat Show is the next thing on our horizon. It takes place at the end of April. And we're looking forward to this with great excitement and seeing the various yachts that will be here, always signifying the start of the season. 2024, we are sure, will bring a lot of excitement and yacht traffic to Spain in general, the Balearic area, and Barcelona, with the America's Cup taking place through the summer and the autumn. From our new lookout, we can't wait to see all the yachts coming and going, the regattas taking place in the bay, and the seasons changing over our beautiful island of Mallorca.